Hey guys, just picked up the E30 from storage. It's super dusty, so I'm heading over to my friend Bosco's garage to rinse it off and clean it. So let's go. Here we are, straight out of storage. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's very dusty. So while I'm washing it, I'm gonna cut over to the footage of me picking up the new wheels I'm putting on. Good morning guys. Today I'm taking the new wheels for the E30 to the guy I buy tires from. So let's head there and drop them off.
I don't know if I'm changing over. In the moonlight I can't kill this feeling sober. So it starts to come alive. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul is underneath.
So I picked up the wheels and it looks good. Can't wait to try them on the E30 when it gets out of storage. I ended up going 245 40 in the rear and 215 40 in the front. These wheels are 17 by 7.5 in the front and 17 by 8.5 in the rear. And this is the meaty look that I was looking for. But let's see how it fits under the car. 2 weeks, then I can try them.
It's the fall that kills me. With our back against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see. Wait for.
Good morning, it's the next day. The wheels are loaded up. So I'm gonna head to my workplace and fit them on, see how they fit and look. Let's go.